Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So it's kind of been a while, but I'm back. I'm gonna take this YouTube thing seriously and make you guys some really good content that you're gonna enjoy. For today's video, I thought I'd do my October favourites. Wait, where 2020, where's it gone? What have we done? Stayed in the house, nothing. But nonetheless, I've got some favourites to share with you guys that hopefully you will love as much as I do. I got a good mix of skincare, makeup and hair care. So I will start with skincare. So the first thing I've been loving is this PSA Heroin Toner. Use daily. That's just instruction. Madelic and Licorice Superfood Glow Toner. This is such a long name. This, oh my god, is amazing. PSA is basically like the sister brand to Allies of Skin, which is like a super amazing brand, and they really take their time to like research their ingredients and put like really good ingredients that are going to work into their skincare. But they just come out with PSA, which is slightly more affordable than Allies of Skin, which is great. But this toner, oh my god, it's just, it leaves my skin so fresh and glowy and nice. And basically mandelic acid is like, it kind of works in a similar way to like glycolic acid and lactic acid, but mandelic acid is more gentle on the skin, so it's more suitable for like sensitive skin types. And if you have reactions to glycolic acid, then this would be a great alternative. And this, oh my god, it works so well. I use it at night, and in the morning I wake up and my skin just looks so nice and glowy and smooth, and like it's just instant. It's one of them skincare products that work instantly and just leave my skin so nice and smooth and glowy. So I really recommend this. It is amazing. Another skincare product that I have been loving is the Ole Hendrickson Truth serum. I think this is like a vitamin C serum, and I've like dipped in and out of using this for a while. Like I had a ton of those little not sample size minis that you get in like the Ole Hendrickson sets at Boots, and I kind of dipped in and out of using it, and like I liked it, but I wasn't like blown away. But then I started using it again, and I don't know what it's done to my skin, but it's just like leaves my skin like so smooth and glowy. And I actually do find this is like somewhat hydrating as well, like because I have super dry skin. Like my skin is so dry no matter what I do to it. But since I've been using this and this, like my skin just looks really good. And these are the two new products in my routine, so I'm guessing it's these two. So yeah, highly recommend this too. Lastly, for skincare, I have been loving the Botanics Simply Calm Hydrating Overnight Mask with Cannabis Stevia Seed Oil. Ow, this again, oh my god. As I said, I have super dry skin, and I've been using this, and it's definitely, these three together have done something magical to my skin, because it's just so smooth and glowy. I haven't had a breakout like all month, I don't think, which I don't get breakouts that often. Like my skin is generally good, but I do get the occasional breakout, but I haven't had any this month, I don't think. It's like, it says it's an overnight mask, so essentially it's just a really rich moisturizer, which it is. It's really thick, and like, I don't know, if you have oily skin you're gonna hate this, but it is thick. But I like that because I have super dry skin, so I want something really thick and like occlusive that's gonna lock all my products in and like stop transepidermal water loss overnight, because I will like layer so many hydrating products on my skin, and I'll wake up in the morning and my skin will be dry AF. But since I've been using this over the top of everything, I've not been doing, like, that's not been happening. I've just been waking up and my skin is smooth and glowy and plump, and it's amazing. So really recommend this. And this is really affordable as well. I think it's like £10, if that. So yeah, that has been a favourite of mine throughout the month. On to makeup. First up, I have this Wet and Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum Hydrating. So I've had this for a while as well, and I used it and I liked it, but then my friend was telling me about it and I thought, oh, I'm going to get it back out again. And I'm completely in love with this too. It's kind of like a primer skincare hybrid. Like I said, I have dry skin. How many times am I going to say this in this video? But this like just makes my skin like so plump and smooth, and like it really hydrates any dry areas. And then when I put makeup on over the top, like makeup just applies so much better than if I wasn't to use this. So yeah, like I said, it's like really watery, and it just, I don't know, it's just like a little magical primer. Again, I think this is super affordable. I think this is like £5 or £6, so really recommend that too. Then a foundation I have been loving is the Revolution Conceal and Glow Illuminating Foundation. Now, I haven't seen anybody like really talk about this glow range that Makeup Revolution have launched. I think, you know, they do like their Conceal and Define and Conceal and Hydrate foundations. This one is kind of similar to that. I think it's like in the same family, but this one is the best Revolution foundation by far, and I really liked the Conceal and Define and the Hydrate and Conceal one. Am I even making sense? But this one is the one. It's like glowy. Okay, so let me start. Let me do this so it's gonna make sense. So the coverage on this isn't as full as the other two Revolution foundations, which I actually quite like. I'm not about like the full coverage cake face life anymore. So this one, I'd say this one has medium, but it is buildable. I'd say it's light to medium but buildable, but the glow this gives the skin is just beautiful. It's not like glittery, or it's not like shiny or sweaty. It's literally just like a nice, juicy, plump looking skin. This basically just gives the skin a really nice glow that's not too much. And if you have oily skin, you could powder this down, but I personally don't like using powder with this because I love the glow it gives. It wears really well. Like I wore this the other day and I wore it with a mask and it didn't transfer. It just stayed looking really, really good all day, and it didn't turn sweaty. Some foundations that are dewy, I will find that at the end of the day I will look sweaty, but not with this one. It's just like the perfect amount of glow. It's just amazing. And then for eyeshadow, I have been loving the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. And like, just look at these shades. They are stunning. This is by far my favourite naked palette from Urban Decay. Like, the formula is way better than the other ones. And just the shades in this, like, I don't know, it's like a brown toned palette primarily, but I don't have anything like this in my collection because they are brown tones, but they're really warm, but not a red kind of warm. They're more of like a caramel honey, as the name would suggest, colour. And like my favourite shades, I always just go for Keeper, Hive and Drip, and then a shimmer on my lid, and I'm good to go. And the formula is really nice. They blend out really easily. They have really good staying power. They don't crease. It's just amazing, so love that. A lip product that I've been loving is the Morphe X Madison Beer lip gloss. And what shade do I have? I have the shade Mars. This is just such a nice lip gloss. It's not sticky, it's not gloopy, it feels really silky on the lips, and the shade is just, let me swatch it for you. It's just a really nice nude colour that just goes with anything. You can put it over the top of lipsticks. It's just a really, really nice lip gloss. Another lip product I've been loving is this Revolution. It's not Revolution. This is Iconic London Lip Oil. I actually worked with them on a sponsored Instagram post, but I do love these. Oh my god, I can't open this one. Right, we're in. it's just a hydrating lip oil. I just love lip oils in general. I have dry everything. And these have got a really kind of unique applicator. Like, I don't know if you can see, but applicator like rolls. Yeah, it's just really nice, and it's really hydrating. It gives my lips like that really nice, like plump, juicy pout kind of look, like really full, but really it does it in like a really effortless way. Like, you've not got to put concealer on, blend that out, and then put a gloss on. Like, literally just put it on, you've got plump juicy lips, good to go. For hair care, I have been absolutely loving this Superdrug Argan Hair Therapy Pre-Shampoo Elasticizing Hair Treatment. Now this is like, reminds me of the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, which is very expensive, and it's really good though, but it is expensive. This is $2.99 or $3.99, I think. It's like a pre-hair wash treatment. So you wet your hair, put this on, leave it on for a bit, shampoo it off, and condition as normal. But this is amazing. It leaves my hair so soft and shiny, and like, I feel like my curls have been looking the best they've ever looked, and I really think it's partly down to this. As I said, it is similar to the like the name and the fact that it's a pre-shampoo treatment. It is similar to the Philip Kingsley one, but this one, the ingredients are different. But I actually prefer the ingredients of this one. This one's got protein in it and a lot more kind of like hair oils that are gonna hydrate your hair and stuff, rather than the Philip Kingsley one has hydrating ingredients, but it's just like glycerol and then some silicones. But this is, oh, amazing, amazing. I highly recommend that. And it's $3.99, like, can't really go wrong. Another hair product I've been loving is this, I don't even know how, Umberto Giannini, this brand. And this is, what is this? Curl Magic Repair and Grow Curl Treatment Mask, coconut oil, seaweed, wheat bran and caffeine. Oh my god, this is life changing. So the first time I used this, I like obviously left it on for about half an hour and washed it off, and my hair literally felt like silk. Like, it was so silky, and my hair was like really easy to detangle after using this. And this is aimed at people with curly hair, but I do think if you have straight hair, you'd probably use this. If you have damaged straight hair as well, especially, like, I think you'd really like this. And it smells incredible. It smells like cocoa butter. You know the Palmer's cocoa butter that you put on your body? This literally smells like that, but for your hair. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, really, really recommend this. Last but not least, from the same brand, I've been loving the Umberto Giannini Curl Whip Curl Activating Mousse. This is the best hair mousse I have found to get my curls looking good and hold them. Like, it's a hair mousse, so I just scrunch it in my hair when it's wet or when it's dry, and I do really find this does really help frizz and help my curls to like form. It does leave my hair with a slight crunch, but I'm not mad at that, because everybody talks about, like, if you're following the curly girl method, everybody talks about scrunching out the crunch, which I can't do. Like, I don't know why. Like, if my hair's crunchy, I'll scrunch, but it's still crunchy. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong, but anyway, that's irrelevant. This does leave my hair with like a slight crunch, nothing like horrible, but it does leave my hair with a slight crunch, which I actually like because it makes my curls last longer. So I wash my hair at night, and then if it's crunchy, that's good because it's going to last overnight into the next day. So I really, really like this. And again, this is really affordable, and I've tried really high-end mousses and none of them have really compared to this. And what I like about this as well is I find that some mousses dry my hair out, but this one doesn't. It's just really, really good, and I really, really recommend it. So guys, that's everything that I have been loving throughout the month of October. I can't even believe I'm saying that. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And do let me know what you want to see from me. Like, the UK has just gone back into lockdown, which is super fun. Not. So I'm hoping to make some content for you guys if you're at home bored. So do let me know what you want to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.